Join me as I put the DJI Mini 5 Pro to the test and see if it really lives up to the hype of being the best drone ever. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is the latest flagship drone to hit the market, and it's already creating quite the buzz. But what makes it so special, and how does it stand out from its competitors? Well, in today's video, we're going to dive in and find out. One of the biggest challenges drone users face is battery life. We've all been there. You're out flying, having the time of your life, and then suddenly your drone starts beeping and flashing, warning you that it's time to head back to the starting point. It's frustrating, to say the least. Another issue is camera quality. Let's face it, we all want that perfect shot, but sometimes our drones just can't deliver. And then there's the issue of ease of use. I mean, who hasn't struggled to get their drone to connect to their phone, or to understand all the complicated settings and features? It's enough to drive you crazy. But what if I told you that the DJI Mini 5 Pro addresses all of these issues and more? We've all heard the horror stories of drones that are super hard to use, or that have terrible cameras, or that run out of battery in like 5 minutes. But what if I told you that the Mini 5 Pro is different? What if I told you that it's specifically designed to make your drone using experience smoother, easier, and more enjoyable than ever before? The DJI Mini 5 Pro is packed with features that make it stand out from the crowd. For starters, its camera is a real game changer. With a 48-megapixel sensor and a wide-angle lens, it's capable of capturing stunning photos and videos that will leave you breathless. And with its advanced obstacle avoidance system, you can fly with confidence, knowing that your drone is safe from harm. Plus, its portability is unbeatable. It weighs in at just 249 grams, making it the perfect drone to take with you on all your adventures. But that's not all. The Mini 5 Pro also boasts an incredible flight time of up to 34 minutes, making it one of the longest flying drones on the market. And with its advanced flight modes, such as active track and point of interest, you'll be able to capture stunning footage with ease. And let's not forget about its new and improved O3 transmission system, which gives you a faster and more reliable connection to your drone. But what really sets the Mini 5 Pro apart is its ability to capture 4K video at an incredible 60 frames per second. This means that your footage will be smooth, detailed, and incredibly realistic, perfect for capturing life's special moments, or for taking your social media content to the next level. And with its new and improved DJI color mode, you'll be able to capture footage that's more cinematic than ever before. So, what makes the Mini 5 Pro so special? Well, for starters, its combination of portability, camera quality, and flight time make it the perfect drone for anyone looking to take their aerial photography to the next level. And with its advanced flight modes and new technology, it's clear that DJI has really outdone themselves this time. But the real cherry on top is its ability to capture 4K video at 60 frames per second. It's a total game changer. So, what do you guys think? Have you had a chance to try out the DJI Mini 5 Pro for yourself? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with drones, or what you'd like to see next. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more awesome drone content. I'll catch you in the next video.